Kwa okoboko byabeire bikobaeba anene mono chinga kichiogochorwa kw'abawaziri aba baba bagochorwa n'umurayibwense Dr. William Ruto chinga ki abagakubuna ekamati y'abawaziri ngana abete kwirera boigo kobachora abawaziri kurwa ase kyama keria kya ODM.
Everybody is fighting for their tribe. I will be asking if the Kisii community political leadership has gone on maternity leave. I will put in my papers to lead the community and register a political party, because by 2027 we will still be scattered in ODM, we'll be in UDA, we will be in whichever party that is there, and we shall lose as a community. So I'm appealing to everybody in the Kisii community that it is now ripe we go into one political party so that we can negotiate from one political party. And all the elected leaders, you owe the community an explanation. What are you doing in parties that you have no stake in? There are parties that have made the community a disgrace, a laughing stock. We appeal to the elected leaders to come out strong by moving out of those parties. They can be independent candidates. What I will assure them, that I have defended Aisha Jumwa when he moved from ODM. She never lost her seat. I defended very many of them. So don't be scared that you'll be chased from ODM. You are already chased from ODM. You are already chased from UDA. Let us think, let us sit and talk like Kisii. Tigatokwa n'umuntu yomo torigie ekyama gyeito naritorasi kwe bono igatonga emengongo itabuati direction toko
Tugoska bosio asingana erengeti okolingolwa kw'abawaziri nigaseri tikolia gatatu abawaziri baba bagochorwa n'umurayibwense Dr. William Ruto baba kogendera kolingolwa ne kamati ye bunge eyekora wa nomonogeri we bunge enene Moses Masika we tangula yobo mutangani wikirana ase lituko liarero ase ebunge yo John Mubadi oyo bagagochorwa n'umuwaziri orachikotenenera ekiganja geserekali ase abagakobolwa amabolio anemono bunara chikwene kinga nkobwatira nale ne serikali ya Kenya kwanza anemono kubwatika nanga nigo abeire ase kyama kya ODM anemono ase abagakurwa eira yo chikwene kinga ngukiniare uchumi anemono ase ogo enekinga ngochigoti chale emenganyi ere ase kyam ekyombe gego sangerelia ebango gya KRA na boigo kwerusia ense yaito na kwetolia korwa ase Kabesa.
This one I think Honorable Mugara has an answer. Because you see, those who know me...
He wants to hear from the horse's mouth.
Yeah, those who know me know my level of firmness. That does not mean I'm disrespectful. You must know who your boss is. You must know where your loyalty lies. But loyalty does not mean that you must be a yes person. I have, in a number of occasions, disagreed with my party leader, who was my boss in the party. You wouldn't know about it out there. Honorable Junet would know. Family, but I don't talk about it, because then that would be disrespectful. So if I am told to do what I should not do, I will not do it, if it is not provided in law. Because my duty number one is to protect, safeguard the Constitution. What we must do, in fact, is one key thing: revenue mobilization. So we just need to agree on how we can convince IMF for the period that we are going to be under their program, which I don't think should be long. We must move to a system where we divorce ourselves from IMF and start depending on ourselves as we were before. But that we can only do by allowing, by doing what can be done in the interest of the country. They want us to maintain a deficit of no more than 4.4%. That's what we have agreed on currently. But we are moving towards, and we must move towards a budget deficit in the region of
Oyo kabiri wikirana ase bunge bose kamati yale kumulekera abawaziri lituko lya lero Nzali Mvurya oyoba gagochorwa buno muwaziri otinete amangana alengete obonjero lya ase abagakorwa eira buna nabe gakwene kinga ngokini yale ekerengo kyobonjero lya ime yense yaito ya Kenya na boigo kinya ekerengo kibango erabe gego sangiriliwa negati yabanto abo babeire anemono bago tama as wakana ibango egati jemeroberio emenge aba gago kwanira.
Be approved, would you pursue actualizing the good provisions that sought to protect local industry? Because as I said, they were lost because of the poor communication generally in government. So my direct question is, are you going to pursue the import substitution policy and protection of local industry, should you be approved, and bring legislative proposals to Parliament to actualize that which was lost?
Oh, yes. Nominee.
Yes, Mr. Speaker, I think the answer is yes. Because you see, if we had very good proposals that inspire the economy and they were lost, what I'm committing to this committee is that we will, and I will provide leadership in the ministry to pursue them. Because if we are to inspire the local manufacturing, then as government we need to have a deliberate policy to ensure that either we impose levies or we reduce levies to ensure that these manufacturing industries can survive. So the answer is yes. I will be
Togoskabosio asorobotiro wichanini gabanto ikomi baba otigerwa chingo machinti ndiye maega yegali yabugoletie chimatru yasigosiria oboroso na gotuoma egali yabugoletie abantu bose asomunwa umanyire mna matatu ingana yaba gekwene kigwa nabanyanyimbo ensemo Eliasanya Chachangwan county ya Nakuru kubwatikana boigo nabanyanyimba abo nigo babeire bagosaba abarundi abe Kigali ase epara eyo ya Nakuru koba maiso asengencho nigo embrendete gutwa ase ensemeyo engana yaberege koirera litatu liri koirera abantu abangi gotarora buya ase boigo kinga kichi chiskuru chiendrete gosigo siskuru cyabere kigo sekwa nigo abarundia be Kigali ibabeire bagosabwa korundia ase enchira ere endo ngerinde kwene kinga ndorigo chikonyora emibasokano emenge n'abantu gosiria amagima abo.
Niko hapa.
Basi leo about 4:30 ya asubuhi tulikuwa na accident hapo mahali inaitwa Mega karibu na Daima Milk. Iko milk factory area ya Chasangwan. Hii magari yote mbili, matatu na hii lori ya kubeba mattress ilikuwa inalenga towards Nakuru, and on the way huyu lori ni kama ili lose control ikaingia matatu hiyo asubuhi na ikaumisa watu 9, hata driver of the lorry pia akaumiswa. Tunataka kuhimiza wale wenye wanaendesha kwa between Salga na hapa kwetu Molo mahali inaitwa Kibunja, mahali barabara imegawanywa. Hiyo area saa hii tuko na mvua kali sana na iko na bumps, especially upande ya barabara ya kuteremka. Tuko na mist na barabara pia ni slippery.
Skabosioni go muraibwense Dr. William Ruto waberega korwa ekuro enti ndigo chia ase abaibi nebibago bietugo ababera korakana anemono ase chi county chiria chia Baringo Samburu Turukana na West Pokot ase boigo abaotebanga serikali ya ene chigotingia oborendi ase chinsemo ekyo asokobeka abana jeshi na kobasaba bako waterana na abanyanyimbo babo butambe buna enchira emo yogo chigokora omochando woke bago ogwabere kwirira abana bange utagenda sechisku na boigo enibo ya bange gosaligwa n'abantu gosiria amagima abo seboigo abakwiranirira enkwana yokogania koleta abakenya bonsi amo ase abagusaba obomo nokobwaterana elinde kwenekinga ense yaityo ya Kenya ngochiere kogendera kurwa ase kerenge kemo goikira ase ekerengo kende.
Mambo ya kupiganisha watu, mambo ya kuibiana ng'ombe, hiyo ni mambo ya upuzi, ni mambo ya ujinga, inatuletea siasa mbaya, inaharibu sifa ya nchi yetu, na mimi nawaomba tuungane. Vile mimi niliwaeleza, hapa dunia hii tutaweka askari ya kutosha, na nyinyi kama wananchi munisaidie tuhakikishe ya kwamba wale watu wanaleta maafa kati yetu, wale watu wanaendelesha ujangili na wizi wa ng'ombe tuwakomeshe, ndio watoto wetu wasome, ndio hii sifa ya dunia hii ipatikane sifa mpya ya kupeleka taifa letu la Kenya. And I want to promise you, nataka mnisikize vizuri, hapa tuko na wanajeshi zaidi ya 1000. Hapa tuko na askari polisi zaidi ya 2000 mimi nililete baada ya uchaguzi, na hawawezi kuondoka sehemu hii mpaka amani ipatikane. Na nimesema tutajenga permanent barracks hapa. Tutakuwa tuna train wanajeshi hapa, tutakuwa tuna train polisi hapa, na wale wanafikiri ya kwamba ati tutakuwa hapa alafu tuondoke, fikirieni tena, atuondoke Kenya together. I want to ask fellow Kenyans, for all of us,
mayo mubunge Okiharu Ndindi Nyoro yuboigo ore umunyakirego ase kamati ye budget ase ebunge enenenigo abeire gakobolia abarayigo cha amona kobeka amagendero bosyo na gutiga siasa cyogotumania abakenya elionali Kenya erabe egekogendera na gukina ase ekerengo kere eke nene.
Na mimi nauliza wanasiasa wote wenzangu, maneno ya viongozi tulimaliza na uchaguzi. Sasa ile muda iko, tuache fitina kidogo kidogo sasa kama viongozi. Wacha maneno yetu ya kuongea ikuwe ni bei ya maziwa. Maneno ya kuongea ikuwe ni vijana wenye wanapata kazi. Maneno ya kuongea ni kuteka kama hii KMTC hapa. Maneno ya kazi ndio Wakenya wanataka tufanye, kwa sababu hiyo ndio inapeleka Kenya mbele. Uchumi wetu mimi naona umekarabati sana rais. Na umekarabati in very dire circumstances. Na mimi nafurahi hata nikiangalia figures ambayo imetokea leo. Inaonyesha bei ya bidhaa imeenda chini. Inaonyesha inflation ya Kenya sasa iko karibu 4.3%. Kuonyesha ile kazi unafanya ya kuleta gharama ya maisha chini.
Manchumulelia ondizi TV robotio ruo Rwandindi Nyoro no choikera omwelio bwamanganama ya chinsa isano naibere chabo no mugasoire terane nkoro kwa Job Maangi na bakwenekinga obera oikeria okonekeria amangana wetera asenjira yomunwa olia wemanyererio Lydia Mose na bakwenekenga ngonyoro chibiche chiboigo na Mariogi asenjira yoboikera nun Kelvin Mugambe karachinga kichinde na baganeirie olelia obuya Ndizi TV na bubwansu bumugusi.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'umugusi.
Nah, I'm no mwene w'ikianga kya mitumba kire ky'abana amo n'abantu tabanere na nigo tagitego kinyorageka kyange bono Mama Tefi Mitumba Bells nigo akorobeire sabari ntambe asago kireteire gisieri na munwa
no Mama Tefi Mitumba egotogotoka se Imperial Building igero opposite St. Jude na ende RBA and Family Bank. Mama Tefi ntubwate bintu mbalimbali bya mitumba buna bono kianga ky'abana ntubwate ki household ntubwate ki wood ntubwate ki jacket ntubwate towels. We have all types of products kya mitumba baka ntubwate bikoro tubone gantu introduce ti bikoro to na some slippers crocs igo toko barangeli munyara ko mogo cha Mama Tefi Mitumba munyara ko mo kwenyorera emisigo ya Canada grade 1 kero wachire Mama Tefi Mitumba ntubwate obosemia ntone tia baligereri bali siko bali bateto chake biashara bachicha Mama Tefi Mitumba elinde banyare ko bakonyora oboseminga na kiba wanete bachake biashara bya mitumba inki batakire bakore ko bwate chiri busta na 500 Mama Tefi Mitumba kwanyorere kero batokere number 1 elindo nyare ko bagokwenda na kero ki kenyare ko bagego konya
atarere